Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. We have the summer months coming, and we have this Moana Disney ear look that we absolutely love. We've got our short shorts on, our tank tops, our bikini tops, and we are ready to go to Disneyland and hop on all of those water rides. So we have a short tool list for this look, and let's go ahead and get started. We have our 12 gauge wire here. This is kind of like a woven wire. It is a little bit more expensive. However, if you don't want to go that route, we have a fuchsia one, as you can see on the table. You can go that route. So here we're basically just measuring it around a cup and going ahead and finding that perfect kind of round circle for the size of your head, so they don't look too big and floppy or they're not too small. Now definitely leave about 2 inches extra so you can put it on the actual headband and wrap it around there. And one little tip here, we are bending the wire just a little bit on that headband so the ears don't look like that they're falling forward or leaning forward, and they're more centered. So you can see kind of on the headband we did make a little bit of a crease there just so they're centered. Now if you're new to our family, make sure that you subscribe, because we do have an entire video series of these Disney ears. They're super popular on our channel. We love making them. We're so thrilled that you guys enjoyed watching them. We do different kind of Disney ears, different season looks, different designs, and we're sure that you'll love them. We absolutely love them ourselves, so make sure you check those out. Moving on to the actual leaves here, we just stacked 2 pieces of construction paper together and picked really vibrant colors. I wouldn't pick something super dark. You know, you're going into the summer, you've got those pops of colors, and this is a great way to kind of accentuate the whole look. We're basically just going ahead and folding them together and getting that 2D or 3D look. Not sure how many D's we're talking about here, but you know, give it a little bit of volume there. Make sure that you cut 2 sizes, as you can see here. That way you can really mix it into the look and it'll look really, really good. So moving on to our flowers, this is coming to the fun part. These are silk hibiscus flowers in the color of fuchsia and yellow. Now make sure when you go to our website and you see these that they are in stock. These are super popular. So when you're clipping these wires or these stems, leave that centimeter piece there, because that's the part that you're going to actually connect to the headband. The reason why I say that, the first time that we created this look, I cut it all the way to the kind of edge of the flower, and it just didn't stay well, it didn't secure well, and it just didn't look good. So leave that centimeter of the stem there, and then it'll secure really sweetly. Moving on to our silk craft leaves. These are in the color of apple green. In our other look as well, we're incorporating also like a really bright orange and fuchsia. Really fun leaves. And what I love about these is that they come with about 2.5 to 3 inches of wire. And what's great about it is that when you have this leaf and you want to stick it all the way to the top of these really large hibiscus flowers, that you have the opportunity to do that. Now if it didn't have a very long wire, you really couldn't have any of the leaves peeking out on top, but look how cute that looks. I just love that. So we are also incorporating, of course, your blood, sweat, and tears that you put into these cute little leaves that we're putting there. Now all we did is we folded just a touch the very end of the leaf, and that way we're able to have the leaf stick up and put some hot glue on the very edge there. Now these look super cute with these silk craft leaves. Of course, this is what we're doing again. We're mixing our different kinds of leaves and also our different textures as well. Now you can really just get creative with this. Put the leaves wherever you want, as little or as much as you want. We wanted to go very simplistic. As you can see, we put maybe, I don't know, 6, 7 leaves on that, and now we're just flipping it over. And what we usually do in our other ears, if you're familiar with our channel, we duplicate the exact same design on the back. And the reason why is we want to cover all the wires, all our tracks in the back. So if someone looks at you from the back, you have that same cuteness, you know, rocking out on your head. But because these hibiscus flowers are so ginormous, we wanted to just add a little bit of coverage over the wire. So all we're adding are these really cute silk flowers, and they're in the color of like this tangerine bright orange here. I love it. Popping a couple there on the wires. As you can see, we added some of the orange leaves in the back, and those look super cute as well. Oh, I love these. Now on the back, we took a little bit of our creative liberty and placed leaves in different directions here. They don't all have to go together in the same direction. This is what adds a little bit more of that natural creative look to it. So there you go. Here's the front. And then of course the back has a little bit more simplicity. But as you can see with this option here, we used our fuchsia wire. Super cute as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you like the video, share it with your friend, and subscribe for your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.